Come here and stop scrolling. Do you have a dark spot? You have acne? What is your skin type? You have a dry skin? You have an oil skin? You have a complex skin? Or very dry skin that you have? What is your skin type and what is your problem? You know what? Today we are going to make a simple natural ingredient that we are going to use to make treatment. And this treatment is going with every skin type. No matter what skin type that you have, no matter what the problem you have, because that is the first scrub to scrub your face, to remove a dead skin from your face. This thing is going to help you. If you have sun damage or you have used a cream, because I know some of our sisters, they use some, I don't want to say bleaching creams, because some of them, they don't know. They are just using the cream ignorance. They don't have any idea. They use the cream, but they don't know that that is where this cream is going to take them to. So, or you use some creams and it has given you a mark this way, make it dark. Or you also have a stubborn dark spot acne like me. Look who I'm struggling working with it, and now we thank God it's fading because I'm working and I'm still working. Or you are someone who are just looking for glowing, glossy skin. If you want that one, stay tuned with me and we'll make it together, because this, I don't want too much talking. I like practicals. Practicals is much better. I want to make it for you guys to see, so that in case you also want to make it, you can make it by yourself. And also, not for only the practicals, I would definitely going to apply to my face. As you guys can see, although I'm already washed my face. So let's make this combo treatment. First scrub. Let's do it together. Okay? Let me stop talking. We'll start the work. Today, the ingredients that we are going to use, we have our honey here. We have a rose water. That's my rose water. This rose water, I brought it from Turkey. And I have aloe vera, but we have two different types. I bring this because I'm going to show you people something. This one, they say 92 aloe vera, 92% of aloe vera. So it means the remaining 8% is not pure aloe vera. So this one, when you use it, you may get it a little bit watering. It's going to be a water. But I have this one also, and it's saying aloe vera gel 100% natural. So this is the pure aloe vera gel. So if only you cannot find this one and you get this one, it also can work. But it's only that you have to be aware that it will be a little bit watering after making the treatment. Okay, but don't worry, it all can work. This one also can work for you. But if only you have opportunity to get this one, that will be much better. So let's start. And I have my salt also here. Actually, this one left small, so I'm going to use this one when it's not enough, so that I'll add this. Actually, we have some special salt for those things, but I'm using a normal salt because I want to make things easy to others, so that in case when you are going to make yours, you will not make any excuse and say, oh, I don't have that salt. Me too, I wanted to make it, but I don't have it. So this is just a cooking salt, okay? Normal salt that you are using. Salt is very powerful. It's removing dead skin and making your skin look more fresh. This salt even is going to be enough. I just bring the other one for nothing. So my friends, if you want glowing soft skin, you need to just use this simple, the ingredients that I'm showing to you. Okay, those ingredients are very powerful. Maybe you are just looking at it like that, but the way it's going to work for you is going to shock you after using it. I know if you use this thing, you are going to love it. I know you have already loved your face, you love yourself, but that one is going to be extra one. As I told you people, when you use it, it's going to be watering. So when you start add the aloe vera into your salt and you see that it starts to melt, look like a water, don't be panic. Okay, it's normal and it does not spoil. It will work. It's going to work perfect for you. Okay, don't throw away and say it has spoiled. No. So now I'm adding my honey also inside. This the tablespoon that I'm holding, it's not up to all that full tablespoon, but that one also we can just still count it as a tablespoon. So I added my honey inside. Honey, if you get the opportunity to get the original one, natural one, natural honey, fine. But if you can't get it and you get that fake ones with a mix with sugar, that one also no problem, it's going to work for you. That one also you can still use it. So today, my people, what I'm going to show is the face scrub with salt, aloe vera and honey plus my rose water. This thing is gently removing dead skin. When you mix this mixture together, it's gently removing the dead skin and leaving your face glowing, glassy. If you want glassing face, this thing you need to use it and thank me later. Now, my friends, see why those ingredients are amazing for skincare. Salt is having exfoliate and also dead skin when you have dead skin and unclog. Salt is helping you to remove it naturally. Salt is very, very powerful when it's come to use it to make a face scrub or body scrub. Yes, salt is very, very good. So now, as you guys can see, I finished mixing it, but the down part you may see there is still salt. When it's come like that, don't be panic, okay? So right now, as you guys can see my face, I'm going to apply it into my face. But before you apply it to your face, I always make sure to wash your face thoroughly. If you have face makeup on your face, use your tonic to clean your face very well. So the remaining, this one I'm just pouring it inside because I don't want to use my hand and spoil the rest. So this one I can use it so many days. Maybe this one, if you want it to work much more, you can use it 7 consistency 1 week. But the first day you can do the scrub with your face, use the salt to make the face scrub on your face. But the second and the third day, don't use the salt again, just use the water, the aloe vera. And when you do, there's some natural, some water, the thing has turned to be, just use that juice to clean your face, to make it on your face and sit until the thing get dry and you go and wash it. When you do it like that, you are going to come back and thank me later. But after doing it, because why did I say you shouldn't do the face scrub again? Because salt, if you have sensitive skin, sorry my people, if you have sensitive skin, it's not good for you to be doing the scrub every day to your face. So at least once it's okay, and the rest you just use the water and be cleaning your face and leave it for maybe at least 15 to 20 minutes and go and wash it and use your moisturizer to moisturize your face. And after, maybe when you use it like that for 5 days, the 6 to the 7 days, if you see that it's okay for you, your skin can take it, then you can do another scrub again. If you have pimples, dark spot, acne, sun damage, chemical damage, whatever that you have on your body, that is going to fail automatic during 7 days when you use it in the correct way. And by 7 days, you are going to achieve what you are looking for. As you guys can see how I'm applying, when you are going to massage your face, you have to be massaging your face in the circle way. Don't be in hurry, because the salt can do what it can. If you are going to be doing it, it can hurt you. So you have to be doing it gentle to your face, okay? Doing it gentle while you are applying it. So now let's check and see aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is smoothing and hydrating and protecting from sensitive skin. Aloe vera is very good. So as I say, if you have sensitive skin and you are using it, it will help you, but definitely, because aloe vera is protecting the sensitive skin. But still, I'll still tell you that you should be careful because of the salt. Don't overdo scrub on your face, okay? And let's check and see honey. Honey also is moisturizing and brightening and fighting bacteria from your face. This thing is not only your face, you can use it the whole your body to scrub all your body. You can use it for your face. If you think that your face is your main point, you can use it every part of your body. You can use this thing to do. It's going to help you a lot. While you are applying it, always make sure to be aware on your eyes. Be careful, okay? Don't let it to enter your eyes. Be careful with your eyes. So now after honey, let's see the benefit of rose water for adding milk. Rose water is refreshing tone. It's refreshing your face, your body tone, and giving you a natural glow. Together with all the ingredients that I added, those 4 ingredients, it will make your skin very soft, smooth, and radiant. So which is very, very good, because you want something that you can use to get a glassing, smooth skin. That is what you want. You can see, guys, check, my people, just imagine when I'm just putting my hand, you guys can see how it is. So now let's go and wash it and come back. I'll be right back right now. Okay, so let's go and come. Okay, my people, now after finish washing it, you guys can see my face. I did not put any moisturizer oil even. I'm so happy. Please, this is my video. Please go and watch it. Vitamin C oil, how to prepare yourself to make yourself vitamin C oil at home. Okay, go and watch that video and learn how to make your own vitamin C oil. I make my own vitamin C oil. I'm using it to that one I'm using to moisturize my face now. So my vitamin C oil is very, very good. So please go and watch that video and learn how to to do it by yourself. Okay, focus on the dry or rough areas. Okay, if you have rough area or dry area, you need to focus on those places, but you have to avoid with your eyes. Okay, your eyes, avoid with it. So this thing, when you apply, just allow it get cool and dry small, 15 to 20 minutes. You are going to be, after washing it, you are going to love yourself again. You are going to be in love with yourself again. I touch my face so many times. I don't know how many times am I going to touch. Even after this video, when I'm just sitting, I'm still touching myself. I'm touching myself. This thing is very, very good. The way it's good, it will make your body very smooth and soft like a baby skin. So if you are looking for something that to use as a baby, to use it to make it as a baby skin, to to make your skin get more soft, smooth, this thing I will advise you to use it. As I said, not only for face, you can use it the whole your body also to make it as a body scrub. Okay, so these ingredients, the ingredients that I told you people: aloe vera, salt, I'm saying it again, aloe vera, salt, honey. Okay, aloe vera, salt, honey, and rose water is powerful. That is the powerful of it. You can see my face, guys. You can see, you can see when I'm just touching like this, guys. You guys can feel. Please just be honest. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, will you like to try it, or have you tried it before? Go and watch this video. I love you people. Please like it and share for me. Bye bye.